Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session we are going to look at how we can use a Google Drive. So basically a Google Drive is to help us upload particular documents, particular files into our Google account. So here when you go to your Google icon, you type in googledrive.com. So when you put in googledrive.com, yes, we choose an account to use. When I choose an account to use, I'm going to use my account. When I click on it, it brings this interface. Once I see this interface, I have options of either dragging my files and folders here, or I can use the new button to upload. Then that is it basically about using the Google Drive. I either drag my files and folders and put them here, or I use the new button to upload them. When I'm done uploading them, I can always share them with friends or with any other person that when they have been saved to my Google account. Yes, thank you so much friends for listening into my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, follow and like for more educative information. Thank you so much.